Hi, let us see how to solve linear equation. In this example, we need to find out the value of x. As we can see in this equation, we have here, here and here. We have 3 times x, right? So we need to simplify this linear equation, and then based on that, we need to find out the value of x. Let us see how we do it. So as per the BODMAS rule, we need to follow this particular order from bracket to subtraction. That means whenever in any linear equation we have brackets, then orders, that is either power or roots, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, then we need to follow this particular order. First we are going to solve brackets, after that order, then division, and that way at last we need to solve subtraction. Okay, so as per the rule, first we are going to solve brackets. This bracket let us solve first. So we have 2 brackets, one here and one here. Let us see how to solve this particular bracket. We have 4 2x plus 3. In this case, we are going to multiply 4 with 2x and 4 with 3 both. This is going to be 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 and x will remain as it is, plus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So whenever we have this kind of multiply, 2 multiplied by 2x, right? So whenever we have this kind of multiplication, then all the numbers will be multiplied together. That is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and this alphabet will remain as it is, right? Whenever we have this multiplication, 2x multiplied by 2x, then both these numbers will be multiplied together. That is going to be 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and x multiplied by x is x square. So this is the way to multiply whenever we have number and alphabet together. So all the alphabets multiplied together and all the numbers multiplied together, right? One more example, 2a multiplied by 2b. In this case, again we are multiplying both the numbers together. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And then a will be multiplied by b. This is going to be ab. So the result of 2a multiplied by 2b is 4ab, right? So same logic we have applied here also. When 4 is multiplied by 2x, the result is going to be 8x. And when 4 is multiplied by 3, the result is 12, right? So let us write it down. So we have 5x minus, let us write everything in bracket, 8x plus 12. Okay, this is going to be 5x will remain as it is, then this minus sign is going to be multiplied by this plus sign. 8x is nothing but plus 8x, it's just that we do not write it, right? So whenever a minus sign is multiplied by a plus sign, then the result is a minus sign. So this is going to be minus 8x. Same here, this minus sign is getting multiplied by this plus sign. So this is going to be a minus 12. See, on the left hand side, we have this particular equation. And on the right hand side, let us solve it on the next slide. Okay, for the left hand side, we had 5x minus 8x minus 12. So this is what we have seen while solving 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3. And on the right hand side we have 6 plus, now let us multiply 3 by x. This is going to be 3x plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, right? And whenever a plus sign is multiplied by a plus sign, then the result is a positive number, positive integer, alright? So for this, 6 plus is multiplied by this is plus, that is 6 plus 3x and then 6. And on the left hand side we have 5x minus 8x minus 12. Okay, so here you can see we have 5x minus 8x and this is pure number. So 5x minus 8x is minus 3x minus 12. Okay, and this is again 3x, let us write it down here, plus this 6 and this 6 is 12. Okay, so now let us remove this 12 from left hand side. How we will do it? This is minus 3x minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 3x plus 12 plus 12. To remove this minus 12, I have added plus 12 both the sides, right? So that this minus 12 and this plus 12 will cancel each other, and on the left hand side we have minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 24, right? So now I have to remove 3x from right hand side. How we are going to do it? Let us see on the next slide. So we have arrived so far, minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 12. In order to remove 3x, we are going to subtract 3x from both the sides. So on the left hand side we have minus 3x. Minus 3x is equal to 3x minus 3x plus 12. So what we have done, we want to remove this plus 3x, positive 3x. So I have subtracted 3x both the sides, right? So this plus 3x, this minus 3x will cancel each other. And on the right hand side we have, this is not 12 but 24, right? Let me see on the last slide. Yeah, this is 24, right? So this is 24. So here also I will write 24. So on the right hand side we have 24, and on the left hand side we have minus 3 and minus 3x, that is minus 6x, right? Let us remove minus sign from left hand side. Minus 6x multiply by minus 1. Okay. Here also 24 multiply by minus 1. So this minus and minus multiplying two negative integers will become a positive integer. So minus 6x multiplied by minus 1 is 6x, positive 6x. And here we have minus 24, because whenever we multiply minus with a plus with a positive integer, then the result is a negative integer, right? So now I have to remove 6 from 6x. How we are going to do it? 6x divided by 6 is equal to minus 24 divided by 6. This 6 and this 6 will cancel each other, and this way we have x is equal to minus 24 can be written as minus 4 multiplied by 6, right? And this 6 at the denominator. So this 6 at the numerator and this 6 at the denominator will cancel each other, and what we have is minus 4. Okay. So the value of x is minus 4. We have solved this equation and we found that value of x is minus 4, right? So this is the result. Hope you understood how to solve a linear equation and how to find out value of any variable. So in my next videos, I will bring more complex example of linear equations where we will have not one but two variables, and we will see how to solve it, right? How to find the value of any variable within an equation. Thanks for watching.